Imagine waking up one day and everything about how you manage your money has changed without you lifting a finger. No spreadsheets, no endless Google searches for best investment options, and no more sleepless nights over your finances. Sounds like a dream, right? Or could it be a nightmare? Wait a second. Is this the part where the robots take over our wallets too? Insert sarcastic chuckle. AI and automation aren't just changing how we work or how we shop. They're about to revolutionize how we handle our money, and if you're not paying attention, you could either be on the fast track to financial freedom or left behind, struggling to catch up. By the end of this video, you'll discover why time is running out to embrace this tech revolution, and how you can leverage it to build a life of wealth and freedom. Let's dive in. Let's start with a sobering fact. Over 70% of Americans still live paycheck to paycheck. What's worse? Most of them are in their 20s and 30s. But here's the kicker. AI doesn't care about your age, your job title, or your past mistakes. It works with what you give it. And it works fast. Okay, but how does this help me exactly? I'm just trying to figure out if I can afford dinner tonight without overdrafting. Hold that thought. Here's where the magic happens. Tools like robo-advisors and AI budgeting apps are already making financial planning accessible to everyone. They analyze your spending habits, automate your savings, and even suggest personalized investment strategies, all in real time. But here's the dark side. If you're not using these tools, you're falling behind. Every second you wait, someone else is automating their finances and getting ahead, building wealth while you're stuck doing mental math over your credit card bill. So, how exactly do these AI-powered tools work? And more importantly, how can you use them to ensure your financial freedom? Let's break it down. Imagine a future where your savings grow effortlessly, your investments perform optimally, and your financial goals are not just dreams, they're realities. That future isn't decades away. It's happening now. Let's be honest. If you trust AI to recommend your next Netflix binge, why not trust it to grow your net worth? Here's your action plan. Start with a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Once you've got your spending under control, explore robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to automate your investments. And for those ready to supercharge their wealth, dive into AI-powered financial tools that analyze market trends for you. The sooner you start, the bigger the advantage. Every day you delay is a day you're leaving money and opportunities on the table. Ready to take control of your financial future? Hit that subscribe button and like this video to join the Financial Saver community. Together, we'll turn technology into your greatest wealth-building ally. See you in the next one.